While they were in opposition, the BJP raised its voice for the declassification of a controversial report on the 1962 Indochina War. In a 180-degree turn in its stand, the BJP has now said that declassifying the report would be against national interest. Following the government's total U-turn, the Congress has accused the BJP of indulging in doublespeak.
On the campaign trail, the BJP targeted the Congress, raking up Jawaharlal Nehru's alleged role in the 1962 military debacle at the hands of the Chinese. After a section of the classified Henderson Brooks report was made public by an Australian journalist. In March, Arun Jaitley went to the extent of demanding declassification of the report that listed reasons for India's failure in 1962. But now, Defence Minister Arun Jaitley has done a U-turn. In a written reply to the Rajya Sabha, Jaitley had ruled out declassifying the Henderson report, citing national interest.
At least give us the credit for taking the right decision, and thereby you'll be giving yourself the credit for taking the same decision now of not declassifying. And if you do that, the public and the nation will appreciate and understand. Otherwise, you will be seen as hypocritical.
While Congress is accusing BJP of being double-faced, senior BJP leader Subramanian Swamy is calling for making Henderson report public.
There is no reason for it to be kept secret. It should be made public.
While Swamy is not in government, he is only echoing what BJP said in the run to 2014 elections.
The BJP would like the entire report to be made public so that more than 50 years thereafter, the nation must know as to who did what wrong. And surely Jawaharlal Nehru has to account a lot for.
But now in government, the BJP has adopted the Congress line by deciding to keep the cause of 1962 debacle a state secret. Bureau Report, Times Now.